AI? More like OMG, it's everywhere. You know those robots you see in movies, the ones that try to take over the world? Turns out AI isn't quite there yet, phew! But it's getting pretty darn close and it's already sneaking into our lives in some pretty surprising ways. Think about it, you're scrolling through social media, and boom, AI is suggesting friends you might know. Creepy, right? You're ordering takeout online and bam, AI is recommending dishes you might like. Deliciously convenient. AI is like that friend who always has recommendations, sometimes good, sometimes questionable. But hey, at least it's trying, right? And the more it learns about us, the better it gets. So buckle up, Buttercup, because we're about to dive into the wild world of AI. So, what is this AI thingamajig anyway? Okay, let's break it down. AI stands for artificial intelligence, which basically means giving machines the ability to think, sort of, like humans. Now, before you picture robots writing Shakespearean sonnets, let's be real. AI today is more about recognizing patterns, making predictions, and learning from data. Think of it like this. You teach a dog a trick by rewarding it with treats. AI is similar, but instead of treats, it learns from massive amounts of data. The more data it gets, the smarter it becomes. So no, AI isn't about robots taking over the world, yet, but it is about making machines smarter and more helpful in our everyday lives. AI learning like a puppy, but way faster. Remember how we talked about teaching a dog a trick? You show the dog what to do, give it a treat when it gets it right, and repeat the process until the dog learns the trick. It's a simple yet effective method of training. Well, AI learns in a similar way, but instead of treats, it uses algorithms. These algorithms are like the instructions you give to the dog, guiding the AI on what to do with the data it receives. Algorithms are basically sets of rules that tell computers what to do with data. They are the backbone of AI, providing the structure and guidance needed for the AI to process information and learn from it. Think of them like recipes for AI. Just as a recipe guides a chef in creating a dish, algorithms guide AI in processing data and making decisions. You feed in the data, ingredients, the algorithm processes it, cooking, and voila, you get an output, delicious meal, or, in AI's case, a prediction or decision. The quality of the output depends on the quality of the data and the effectiveness of the algorithm. Now here's the cool part. AI can actually learn and improve its algorithms over time, kind of like how a chef tweaks a recipe to make it even tastier. This process of improvement is continuous and allows AI to become more accurate and efficient. This is called machine learning, and it's what makes AI so powerful. Machine learning enables AI to adapt to new data and refine its algorithms without human intervention, making it incredibly versatile. By analyzing massive amounts of data, AI can identify patterns and make predictions with incredible accuracy. The more data it processes, the better it becomes at recognizing these patterns and making informed decisions. It's like having a superpowered detective on your side, constantly analyzing clues and solving mysteries. This ability to process and learn from vast amounts of data is what sets AI apart and makes it such a valuable tool in various fields, from healthcare to finance to entertainment. AI on your phone, from selfies to Siri. In today's world, artificial intelligence is not just a concept from sci-fi movies, it's a reality that's integrated into our daily lives, especially through our smartphones. Okay, enough with the technical jargon. Let's break it down in a way that's easy to understand. Let's talk about how AI is already rocking our world, starting with our smartphones. These little devices have become our personal assistants, photographers, and even our entertainment hubs. Remember those awesome filters you use to enhance your selfies? The ones that make your skin look flawless and your eyes pop? Yep, that's AI in action, baby. These filters use complex algorithms to analyze your facial features and apply enhancements that make you look your best. AI algorithms analyze your facial features and apply filters that make you look absolutely fabulous, or at least hide those dark circles. It's like having a professional photographer in your pocket. And what about Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant? These voice assistants have become an integral part of our daily routines. Those voice assistants that answer your every beck and call, they can set reminders, send texts, and even control your smart home devices. You guessed it, AI powerhouses. These assistants are powered by advanced AI technologies that make them smarter and more responsive. They use natural language processing, NLP, to understand your commands and respond in a way that's hopefully helpful and not creepy. NLP allows these assistants to interpret and process human language, making interactions feel more natural. From recommending music you might like to helping you navigate through traffic, AI is there to make your life easier. Imagine driving through a new city and your phone effortlessly guides you to your destination. AI is becoming the ultimate personal assistant, always ready to help you with tasks big and small. Whether it's setting an alarm for the morning or finding the best route to work, AI has got your back. Always there to lend a helping hand or voice. So next time you use a filter or ask Siri a question, remember that AI is the magic behind the scenes, making it all possible. Hold up, AI can be biased, seriously? Now, before we get too carried away with the wonders of AI, let's address the elephant in the room: bias. Here's the thing, AI is only as good as the data it's trained on. And unfortunately, sometimes that data can reflect human biases, which can lead to some, shall we say, interesting outcomes. For example, imagine an AI system designed to help companies hire new employees. If the data used to train the AI is skewed towards a particular gender or race, guess what? The AI might unintentionally perpetuate those biases in its hiring recommendations. That's why it's crucial to be aware of potential biases in AI and to work towards creating more fair and equitable systems. After all, we don't want our robot overlords to inherit our worst qualities, do we? Okay, so we've talked about the wonders and potential pitfalls of AI, but what does it all mean for the future? Will robots steal our jobs, take over the world, and force us to watch reality TV 24/7? Well, the truth is, nobody knows for sure. But one thing's for certain, AI has the potential to revolutionize our lives in countless ways, both good and bad. On the bright side, AI could help us solve some of the world's most pressing problems, from climate change to disease. Imagine AI-powered robots cleaning up pollution, developing life-saving cures, and even writing our term papers. A student can dream, right? But of course, there are also potential downsides. As AI becomes more sophisticated, there's always the risk of job displacement, privacy violations, and even autonomous weapon systems. Cue the Terminator theme music. So, is AI our new best friend or our worst nightmare? The answer, like most things in life, is complicated. AI has the potential to be an incredible force for good, but it's up to us, the humans behind the machines, to ensure that it's used responsibly and ethically. Think of it like this: fire can be used to cook food or burn down a house. It all depends on how we choose to use it. The same goes for AI. We need to approach it with a healthy dose of caution, and a commitment to using it for the betterment of humanity, not just for profit or power. So what does the future hold for AI? Will we be zipping around in flying cars, weighted on hand and foot by robot butlers? Or will we be battling rogue AI systems for control of the planet? Honestly, your guess is as good as mine. But one thing's for sure, the future of AI is full of possibilities, both exciting and terrifying. As AI continues to evolve at a breakneck pace, it's more important than ever to stay informed, engage in thoughtful discussions, and shape the future of this powerful technology. After all, the future is not something that happens to us, it's something we create. And with AI as our partner, or potential overlord, the possibilities are truly limitless. Well folks, there you have it, a crash course in AI, from its humble beginnings to its mind-blowing potential. We've journeyed through the annals of history, witnessing the evolution of technology from the rudimentary machines of the past to the sophisticated algorithms of today. It's been a whirlwind tour, but it's only the tip of the iceberg. We've covered a lot of ground, from the basics of how AI works to the ethical dilemmas it poses. The intricacies of neural networks, the debates surrounding AI ethics, and the potential for both incredible advancements and unforeseen consequences have all been part of our discussion. It's a complex and multifaceted field that touches every aspect of our lives. But most importantly, I hope I've sparked your curiosity and inspired you to learn more about this fascinating field. Whether you're a student, a professional, or just someone with a keen interest in technology, there's always more to discover. The world of AI is vast and ever-changing, and there's no shortage of resources to help you dive deeper. Because AI isn't just some abstract concept confined to research labs and science fiction movies. It's a tangible force that's already making a significant impact on our daily lives. From healthcare to entertainment, education to transportation, AI is revolutionizing industries and creating new possibilities. It's here, it's now, and it's shaping the world around us in profound ways. The smart devices we use, the personalized recommendations we receive, and the automated systems that streamline our tasks are all powered by AI. It's an invisible hand guiding us towards a more efficient and connected future. So, the next time you ask Siri for directions, think about the complex algorithms and vast datasets that make such a simple interaction possible. It's a marvel of modern engineering that we often take for granted. Scroll through your social media feed and consider how AI curates the content you see, tailoring it to your preferences and behaviors. It's a double-edged sword, offering both convenience and raising questions about privacy and control. Or even just order a pizza online. Remember, AI is at work, quietly revolutionizing our lives, one algorithm at a time. It's in the background, making our experiences smoother and more personalized, often without us even realizing it. And who knows? Maybe one day AI will even be able to write a funnier essay than this one. The potential for creativity and innovation is boundless, and the future holds exciting possibilities. But hey, a comedian can dream, right? The intersection of AI and human creativity is a fascinating frontier, and who knows what wonders await us there. So, stay curious, keep exploring, and embrace the incredible journey that is the world of AI.